Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the commands under DML, which is nothing but data manipulation language. We can just use it, but they are part of a DML. If somebody asks you that what are all the commands comes under DML, that time you should be able to tell insert, update, and delete are basically data manipulation language. All right. So we have seen the insert and we know the syntax for the insert. So this is what we have done earlier. Insert into table name, the columns and the values that we want to insert. We have already inserted this data. So we don't need to do once again. All right. So the next one is update. The update command will change the values in any column. The syntax is update, and the next one should be your table name, and you have to say set. What is this set? Set will basically replace the old value with new value. Where? So you have to mention where you want to replace. In this column, right? In this column you want to replace. And what is the new value? 1111. And where you supposed to change? I have to change at this particular row, right? So otherwise in a table, I will have so many rows, right? Somewhere I have to change. Only one entry was wrong, correct? So that entry I have to choose here. Where with a where condition. Where this particular column. In that column, I have already this guy 100 and I want to change it, right? So what I will do, I think this is basically employee ID, correct? Let me change it, employee ID. And this is also employee ID, sorry, employee ID, because that is what we have, right, in our table. So what we'll do, let's try to look into the table. First of all, let's see whether we have that 100 number as employee ID. Select star from test underscore table. Okay, these are the rows we have. Let's see whether we have 100 or not. It was very first record, I believe. Yes, 100, right? Employee ID 100. So this guy, in this place, I want to write new employee ID, which is 1111. This guy, right? So let's write it and see if it is going to change or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say update, update. After that, your table name, test underscore table. Then I have to say set where. So employee underscore ID is the column name. And what is the new value? I say 1111. You can give any name, any number. Okay, I will change it, but where exactly I should change the new value? Then I will say where, okay, where employee ID equal to 100. Wherever you find employee ID equal to 100, you go ahead and change it to 1111, right? Let's execute this. One row is affected. So this time I'm going to check whether the data has been updated or not. Select star from test underscore table. I could have selected only that particular value, right? So since we did not understand, still we did not discuss about the where clause and all, I'm going to select the entire table, right? Execute. Now I'll go back all the way to the first record. Let's see whether it is updated or not. You can see here, earlier we had employee ID 100, now it is changed to 1111 for this particular name. So this way we can update the values inside any table based on some condition. Any column values we can change. All right. And the next one is the delete. So this delete, this will delete the records based on some condition. Now what I will do, I have just changed this one, right? So now I want to delete that record. Somebody came back and said that that person Shankar is no more working in our organization. So we have to delete him from this particular table. All right. So what is the syntax for that? Delete from, okay, delete from where? The table name. Delete from table name. Okay, I will go ahead and delete it, but whom I should delete? Whom I should delete? Where I will say where employee ID equal to 1111, right? Let's go ahead and delete it. So what I'm going to do, delete, right? Delete from where? From test underscore table. Okay, I will delete. Then which record? I will say wherever you find employee underscore ID equal to 1111. If you find this guy, then go ahead and delete. Then I will execute. The query is okay. Now what I will do, I will try to select all of them from this table, test underscore table, and check whether we have that record still exist. Which was the very first one, right? Very first one. So let's check whether that guy is still there. No, that very first guy, 1111, got deleted. So this way I will be able to delete the records in any given table based on condition. All right. Yes, that's all in this DML. I will talk more about other syntaxes in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and keep learning.